How to buy Bitbooster, shared in BitHarvest. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of purchasing Bitbooster, shared in BitHarvest. Sign in to your BitHarvest account. Click on the wallet option. In the wallet page, select the USDT wallet, then click on Deposit. Choose the network you are using. Note, for this demonstration, we'll only show the Tron TRC20 network. Depositing via another network may result in asset loss. Copy the wallet address or scan the QR code to deposit. Now, navigate to your Binance account, crypto exchanges. Click on the wallet option. Then, click Spot. Choose Withdraw. Type USDT in the search bar. Select Send via Crypto Network. Paste the wallet address you copied from BitHarvest. Then, select Tron TRC20 network. Note, the network must matches the withdrawal address. Enter the amount you wish to deposit in BitHarvest. Click on Withdraw. Review the details, then click Confirm. Your withdrawal is under processing, and upon success, you will see the amount received in your BitHarvest account. Note, this video is for reference only. You can use any exchange or decentralized wallet to top up. Return to your BitHarvest account. You will need to convert from USDT wallet to purchase wallet to perform Bitbooster purchase. Go to wallet page. Click on USDT wallet. Once deposited, the amount will go into your USDT wallet. Then, click on Convert. Enter the amount you wish to convert. Click on Continue. Enter your security password. Finally, click Continue to complete your conversion. Last steps to purchase your Bitbooster, shared. On the Buy Package page, choose Bitbooster, shared. Click on Buy Now. Enter the quantity of devices you wish to purchase, and select the wallet you want to use. Enter the total amount, which is 90 USDT. Next, select either USDT wallet or the BTH wallet to pay $10 of BTH token. This means you will purchase an equivalent amount of BTH directly from your USDT wallet or BTH wallet as a payment for Bitbooster. Note, please ensure you have a sufficient balance in your USDT wallet. Click on Purchase Now. Finally, click Confirm to complete your purchase. Congratulations! You have successfully purchased Bitbooster, shared.